Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download and install HandBrake in your Windows in a very simple way. What you can do, you can simply open any of your favorite web browser and then simply come over into the search option and simply search for HandBrake download. As you can see, click on that. After you're going to get the first website, click on that, and here you can simply select Windows. So I'm going to click on the download exe installer, click on the download option, and after complete the download, I'm going to click on the folder icon, click on it 2 times to install it, click yes for the permission. Now we can simply close all of our backgrounds app. Now click on next, and install. After complete that, you can simply click on the finish, and as you can see, here is a HandBrake is rightly shows up. Now if you click on it 2 times to open it, and as you can see, HandBrake is rightly opened in our computer, as you can see. So yeah, this is how we can simply download, install HandBrake in your Windows. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you in other videos. Till then, goodbye.